Dear friends, namaste, and that is Ramneek Wig in front of you. Friend, let me tell you here that the science of pranayama is based on two important pillars. Number one is the ratio pattern between the four limbs of pranayama. That means between these four pillars of pranayama, you got to follow a ratio pattern which is 1 is to 4 is to 2 is to 4. That means as you saw this ratio pattern, you'll see one thing which is very conspicuously clear, that exhalation is always double than that of inhalation. And retention is always 4 times that of inhalation. So friends, ratios are very important part of pranayama. If you do not follow the ratio patterns, you will never get your cells oxygenated. So friends, that is the first and very important, I would say, pillar of pranayama. The second important pillar of the science of pranayama are the bandhas or the pressure locks. Now friends, remember that we have 3 bandhas while we practice pranayama. Number first is called Jalandhar Bandh, which is also referred to as the chin lock. The number second is called as the Udyan Bandh, and which is also referred to as the abdominal lock. And the third one is called the Mool Bandh, which is also referred to as the rectum lock. Now friends, you got to remember there's a standard rule of pranayama that during internal retention, always apply Jalandhar Bandh, which is chin lock, to further increase the neuronal pressure. Second standard rule is that during external retention, always apply all 3 bandhas. That means if you have inhaled to the count of 4, you have exhaled to the count of 8, and now you're going to be doing your external retention to the count of 16 right here. So when you're doing your external retention, all 3 bandhas should be applied, because these are the ones which will further help in increasing the cellular pressure. So friends, remember to follow these standard 2 rules of pranayama, because the main role of pranayama is to oxygenate the cells of your system. And the basic 2 aids which are going to be helpful in that would be the ratio patterns and the bandhas. So friends, remember to do your pranayama correctly. It does not make a difference you do it indoors or outdoors. It does not make a difference how you sit. I see many people telling me, sir, I sit in a cross-leg position and I keep my back straight and I keep my eyes closed. I tell them, listen friends, it doesn't make a difference how you sit, because pranayama is not a physical exercise. It is an exercise to oxygenate the cells of your system. So take care of the bandhas and the ratio pattern, because those are the most integral part of pranayama. Thank you friends, do take care. That's Ramneek Wig signing off.